Do you want to be able to upload videos on YouTube longer than 15 minutes? As a newer or beginner content creator, did you know that videos longer than 15 minutes can lead to viewer higher retention and attract more subscribers? Imagine unlocking this secret can transform your channel overnight. Welcome to Clever Marketing. If you're ready to dive into the world of YouTube and unleash your creativity, you are in the right place. But there's one tiny hurdle. That 15 minutes upload limit. What if I could tell you there is an easy way to break through that barrier? Let's break it down step by step so you can share your epic content without restriction. Verify your account. First thing first, before you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you need to verify your account. And this is how you can be able to verify your account. First, once you log into your YouTube channel, you go to the right side. As you can see, your YouTube logo is there, or your channel logo is there. So you click on your channel logo, which will take you here, and all that you have to do is click on YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio, this dashboard will open. And once the dashboard is open, all you need to go on your left side, you can see that it says settings. So you click on settings, and as this opens, you click on channel. As you can see, it says basic info, advanced setting, future eligibility. So what you do is you click on future eligibility, and it will bring you to this page here. As you can see, they have standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. So what you do is you click on the number 2, which is intermediate feature. As you can see, mine is already enabled, but if you haven't done yours, you haven't verified, you see it like it will say verify. So you click on it, and then it will bring you here, which shows that once you verify, you can create custom thumbnails, live stream, and video longer than 15 minutes. So once you click on it and you haven't verified yet, it will say verify by phone number or verify your phone number. So you click on it, and it will give you 2 options, because they will send you a code either by text or by voice. So you choose one. Mostly what I do is I choose by text. So once I click on by text, they will send me a text with a code. And all that I do is I put in the code and click on verify. And you see that it will be green like this. It's saying enable. And that's all you need to be able to download videos longer than 15 minutes. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe to Clever Marketing. Hit the notification, share, like, comment. Thanks for watching.